This is the Squarebuff or finishing sander. It is not as aggressive as a drum sander, so it's perfect for a light sand where your floorboards have been sanded before, or where your boards are in a moderate to good condition and your goal is to remove an old floor coating to replace with a fresh finish. So to start with, light a sander on its back. You'll need various grades of sandpaper plus a red backing pad. Choose the grade you want to start with. Peel the film off the back of the abrasive sanding sheet. Attach it to the red sanding pad and push down. Now firmly push it onto the base of the sander. The weight of the machine will keep it in place. Make sure the sander is not plugged in when you're applying the sandpaper. Fully unwind the power cable and plug it in. Try to sand away from the power point. This will help to avoid entanglement with the power cord and reduce the need to move the power cord as frequently. Release the handle by pressing on the locking lever. Bring the handle down to a comfortable position. Do not lock the handle. The handle must be free floating. To start the motor, push the interlock button and apply pressure to the levers. Once the machine has started, you can let go of the safety button. This is an orbital sander, so you can sand in any direction, against the grain or with the grain. Use a coarse paper for the initial cut to remove old finishes, a P36 or a P40. Then work your way through to a medium, a P50, and then to a fine paper, a P100. Depending on the condition of the floor, expect a sheet of paper to cover anywhere from 1 to 4 square meters. To prevent damage to the flooring and to reduce swirling, keep the machine in motion at all times while the motor is running. Don't lean back on the machine, make sure the pad is flat on the floor, let it do all the work. Unlike a floor drum sander, the finishing sander will go close to the edge, so there's no need to hire a second edging sander. Empty the bag regularly into a metal bin, as it can be a fire hazard. Never leave it unattended. To stop the machine, simply release the levers.